very good day to our lecturer, Mr. Nizam, and I'm Dineshwaran, son of Ramu. My matrix number is 01DDT21F2044, and my teammates are Puvindiran, son of Sagaran, and matrix number is 01DDT21F2026. And now we are going to demonstrate a good practice and ethics in ethical hacking at workplace. So the background is your group have been hired by X-Tech Sadian Berhad company to perform a penetration testing on their network. They have given permission to their Metasploitable 2 machine to perform the test. Your group task is to demonstrate an attack on a Metasploitable 2 machine and provide a report detailed findings. The task. Your group task is to perform a presentation on the problem-based task findings. Your presentation must include the steps you took to carry out the attack, the vulnerabilities exploited, and the sensitive information that was exfiltrated. And now we are going to demonstrate the task. First, we need to open the virtual box, and this is the virtual box, and we have two machines here, Kali Linux and Metasploitable 2. And now we are to open the two machines and click on the Kali Linux and click on the icon start. It will take several minutes to access. Just we wait for that. And now the machine is getting started. And for now we need to give the login ID and the password, and the login ID is Kali and the password. Now the machine is already open, and for another step we go to the virtual box again and start the Metasploitable 2 machine. Machine is getting started and starting up. Okay, now the machine is asking the required for the Metasploitable login and the password, and we give them. The login ID is the MSF admin and the password also will be the MSF admin. Okay, now we are successfully logging the MSF, the Metasploitable 2 machine and the Kali Linux machine. So for now we need to get the IP address. For the get the IP address, we give the command ifconfig, and we can see over here this is the IP address of our laptop using for this machine, that is 10.0.2.4. Okay, then for later we copy the IP address on the Metasploitable 2 machine and we paste on the Kali Linux machine. For that we going to for the command prompt for the Kali Linux, we click here. Okay, for first of that we must ping the IP address from the Metasploitable 2 into the Kali Linux machine, because to the both machine are equal to on the same network, so they can access easily. So now we give the command ping and give the IP address of the Kali Linux Metasploitable 2 machine 10.0.2.4. It will be it will shows could not find command not from database, so we give a reboot first. So we just try again. ping 10.0.2.4. Again, we come out with the same, do not find the common. We will run the sudo apt, give the password. Okay, again we give the command for ping 10.0.2.4 IP address, and now it is successfully ping. Then we give the control C to exit the ping, and now so yes, all the things are pinged. Then for the first way, we give the command to open the metasploitable 2 machine, and this the command are msf console msf console. It will take several times. This command is to open the metasploitable 2 machine command. And these are already open. So now we give the command for search vsf tpd, and now we can see the name, disclosure date, rank, check description, and the exploit. So now we are going to use the exploit unix ftpd command as given here. Then we just copy it and paste here, give enter. So they are successfully come here. Then we need to give the command for show options. And for this show option commands, we are giving actually to see the host and hardport, their current setting, required description, and we are now to set the host. For set the host, we need to set host with the metasploitable 2 IP address that we are already taken from the metasploitable 2 machines, and we are give the command set host and the IP address. Then give the command run. Okay, now we are after the command get, we can see the command shell session 1 open. After this, we can successfully give access to and break the metasploitable machines. And now we have to give the command ls to see the list of files. Though we give the command ls and la. Okay, after the command la, for the command for ls.la, we are actually giving to see the execute varies command. And now we go to the cd home to change the directory, and again the ls command to see the list of files command. And we have the ftp msf admin service user, and again we are enter the cd msf admin command, msfn command, and again ls to see the list of various command. And finally we got the vulnerable, and where we can perform all the source of hacking and break here. We got the access finally to break the we got access finally to access here, access Kali Linux. Sorry, we can access metasploitable from the Kali Linux machine, For example, we are give the reboot command over here, and we can see the metasploitable is reboot with the help of penetration with the Kali Linux. And now we are click enter and see the metasploitable is rebooting over here. And here is the out for the system is going down for reboot now, and we are successfully break that and it's work. And that's it, we are successfully did the penetration test and hit admin reboot. And there, here we go. We click again the login ID msf admin and the password msf admin. That's it, thank you. And the another demonstration will be held by our teammate Povindiran. He will continue with another demonstration by himself. Thank you, sir.
Greeting to Mr. Nizam. My name is Povendran and my matrix number is 01DDT21F2026, and now I'm going to show an example of a penetration test. So first we need to open the virtual box, then start the Kali Linux. So to get access in Kali Linux, we need to wait for several times. So the Kali Linux is gonna open in a while. So first, we need to enter the ID password. So the ID is Kali and the password is Kali. Then enter. So after we log in into the Kali Linux, if we minimize it and we open the Metasploitable tool. So we need to wait until it's start up. So now we are successfully entering the metasploitable. So what we're gonna do, we enter the login ID. So the login ID is msf admin, and the password is also msf admin. Okay, now first we need to find the IP address for the computer. So we need to search if config. So now we get the IP address of the computer, which is 10.2.10.0.2.6. So now we enter inside Kali Linux and we open the command. So first we need to pin the command, which is pin the IP address. So because the both are in same network, so we can connect the both machine to the together. So the first step, we need to pin the IP address. So the IP address is 10.0.2.6. So it's means, so we need we con we click Control C to stop the command. So the next step is we need to enter msf console. So the reason we enter the command msf console is to open the metasploitable to command, so we can access the metasploitable. Okay, now we have successfully entered the msf console. So the next step, we need to click enter the command search bsftpd. Okay, now we have successfully entered the command says, so we get the name. So the next step, we should use the exploit, the name exploit unit. So we can copy paste this command, then enter the command over here, which is use use exploit unit. So then we enter. So now after we enter this one, so we need to click the enter the command, which is show options. So now they show, so after we enter the command show option, so they show the R host, the R R port 21. So the name, so the next step we should, so the next step we should look for the R host and enter the command of R host and the IP address of target machine, which is which is the metasploitable tool. So what we should enter, we should enter set R, R host, and the IP address, which is 10.0.2.6. So after we enter the command, so we should enter the command run. So it takes some time. So So the command shell session open. So now it's already given the access and the break into the metasploitables too. So now what we're gonna do, we need to enter the command ls to see the list of the file commands. So let me try again. So these are the command, and the next command the next command will be the ls. Okay, and enter. Okay, so why enter the command ls.la is to execute the various command. So after you see this, we need to click cd home. Okay, cd. Okay, the purpose of cd home is to change the directory and to change the directory. So now we should enter the command ls again to see. So now we can see that we have just ftp msf admin service and users. So again now we need to enter a command which is cd msf admin to change the directory of msf admin, and then enter the command ils. And now we successfully get the command vulnerable, where we can access, and now we successfully get the command vulnerable, where we can perform all sorts of action from here, and we got a access to metasploitable too, so we can control metasploitable too using Kali Linux here. So for example, let's we try to reboot it, and I enter the command. So let's we check on the metasploitable, and show that the system is going to reboot now. So our penetration test went successfully. So the metasploitable 2 is now rebooting. So let's check everything. So the virtual missing is, so the metasploitable 2 is successfully reboot. So now we can see our penetration test went successfully. So that's all from me today. Thank you.